Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are saying farewell to my 2014 Ram 1500. It has served me for 7 years just before COVID. It already had 82,000 kilometers on it before I got it, and I have put on 440,000 all by myself in the last 6 years because of how far I live and how far I have to go to work. So today we're gonna go inside and see what's wrong with it. Got some spots on it with paint, big old dent in the corner. We'll get this started by putting in the key and starts up. There you go, 527,000 kilometers. If you go to turn it, it just clicks. It has officially died. And it died with 2 days worth of gas in there still. It wouldn't even take me home on Thursday. We're going to put in our little code reader, which we never did put in, and do a review on. But everything else works. Heat, air conditioning. But it will not shift into anything. And that's my check engine light. You plug it in. Okay, we're going to check the OBD. Code 6, 11 monitors, random multiple cylinder misfire, cylinder 2, cylinder 4, catalyst system efficiency, bank 2, camshaft position, sensor B, circuit bank 1, catalyst system efficiency again. Okay, all it does is pour coolant into cylinder 2 and cylinder 4, and I took out all the fancy stuff for it. Okay. Oh, she couldn't get this out. This rear view mirror is supposed to work when you start the car, but because it won't go on thanks to the starter, it does not work. So it's a brick. That's the microphone that came with the car, and that's the cable that I had done. And I was trying to figure out where the cable goes to see if I can replace the microphone closer to me, but that failed to work. So that's it for that. Back seats are okay. This is my new seat cover for it. I bought a few months back. This is a seat warmer, and that's my cushion, so someone else can have that. So this is officially dead. Meet my new baby. This is Excalibur. It's a four-wheel drive Ford Bronco. It's a sport utility vehicle. It's a big bend, and it's brand spanking new. Except I've used it for the last 4 days, and yes, it does look a little dirty, but that's where I live. So today we're saying farewell to a very loved